Hey there, and welcome to the Thomas Bruce Real Estate Channel. Today we'll be talking about where to purchase a condo and where to purchase an investment property. And I want to talk about Orange Beach specifically today, and I'll give you 3 reasons why. But before we hop into that, if anybody is brand new to wanting to invest into real estate, I've developed a free simplified investment property guide that would teach you step by step exactly what is an investment property, why you should buy one, when you should buy one, what should you actually buy, how to get one, and how to manage one. So just look below this video and download the link today, and you better download that guide so you can always refer back to it. So like I said, today we'll be talking about Orange Beach in general, so where to buy. And the point number 1 as to why you should purchase here is because of the beaches. There's no other beaches, I believe, in America like Orange Beach and Gulf Shores has to offer. The white, sandy, beautiful, pillow-like beaches are unlike anything else. Just when you're walking on it, it just feels like you're walking on a pillow, right? It's so amazing, and the water is so beautiful, and just the environment and the people here, it's incredible. It's such a beautiful place to vacation to. You know, whether you're actually, renting here, like on the beachfront properties or off the beach, you always have access to the beach. There's for sure 2 public beaches here in Orange Beach that you can access. And if you're own a beachfront property or renting a beachfront property, you have direct access to the beach down below you. And most of the beach areas have those pre-set up, lounge chairs and umbrellas that, sometimes you have to pay for, but it's just such a relaxing place to escape to. And I've been to a lot of different beaches, around the Gulf South area and around the country, and there's no other beaches like the ones here in Orange Beach. They are hands down the most beautiful beaches that you can have access to. So point number 2 is all the boating activity. There's so many waterways in this area where people are have their yachts, they have their pontoon boats, their jet skis, and their fishing boats. There's so much access and so many marinas and so many docks to be able to launch your boat and have access to the water. It's incredible. Like we live here at the wharf, so I'm actually sitting on my balcony overlooking the marina and looking at these beautiful boats. And I get to watch them leave in the mornings and come back in the evenings and watching them cruise across the water. It is such a cool thing, and we do boating activities here as well. My wife and I, we've been jet skiing and we've rode on some pontoons, and it's just such a great experience to have access to not only going to the beach when you're here to vacation or whenever you're here owning a property, that you have access to bring your boat as well. Like here at the wharf, for instance, they have the marina where you have to pay for a boat slip, but you can keep your boat year round. So whenever you come to stay at your place, you just go walk downstairs and go directly to your boat and vacation and have fun on the water. It's such a neat experience here to watch all the people enjoy themselves on the beautiful waters of Orange Beach. And then number 3 reason why I'm gonna give for you today why you should come here is because of all the entertainment. There's a lot going on in this area, just in Orange Beach in general, and a lot of it happens at the wharf. From all the shops and the restaurants and the movie theaters and the amphitheater here where there's a lot of concerts going on. Just last night, Jimmy Buffett was here, playing all his awesome music like Margaritaville. There's a lot of neat entertainment activities here, like the 4th of July and all the fishing tournaments, which is super cool to watch whenever they bring in these big, large marlin and tuna and all the awesome fish. There's so much entertainment here for family in this general area that it's hard to get bored when you're here, right? So if you own a property here, there's always something to do. There's never be a moment where like, I'm not sure what to do today. There's always something you can do in this area between the beaches and the boating activities and the water access and the fishing and then all the entertainment around the area. It's definitely a no-brainer. It's definitely that you're never gonna have any time where you're not having a good time. So if you have any questions whatsoever about Orange Beach in general, just comment below. I would love to answer any of your questions and connect with you because we live here full time. So I'm excited to be able to talk to you about what this city has to offer. And if you haven't already, go ahead and download your free property investment guide. That way you can have a reference back to what an investment property is and what it can have to offer you and all the benefits that it has. So looking forward to seeing you guys soon.